Umoya wami uyavuma,
enye into ehamba nabafundisi, enye into ehamba bathi induna amakhosi.
Amen.
Into ehamba noNkulunkulu.
Amen.
Whatever changes enzakalayo South Africa, you can see there are changes in South Africa.
Amen.
Siyathandaza.
Amen. Amen.
Guidance kaNkulunkulu kumkhonto.
Amen.
Asihlukumezi abantu.
Amen.
Sinalento siyibiza i-political tolerance. We are not here to campaign. We are here to bury our comrade. But we've got the political tolerance. We are not here to attack any political party. We are not even here to boast about us like others are doing, trying to accept themselves as Viva Mkhonto or Dala Runjan. But those people are the ones who fail to deliver. Those people that were given a task, some of them they went to exile, they came back. Education for this youth. We fund the free education. We fund a crime. They're sitting there correctly. I'm not crime. That's gender-based violence. Our first by rage is going up and down, doing nothing. The phone way to sell food, and the only way to get what we want is to set Mkhonto Booyah Zuma Booyah. Booyah.